The three of them hid in a warehouse, but this is where the doctor made the perfect bride. Seeing the girl who took the initiative to come, the doctor was so happy. He cared about them fakely. He went to the office to call the police. At this time, the black girl found a broken arm in the warehouse. She was so scared that she vomited. At this time, the killer came in and greeted the three of them. Then he took out a knife. At this time, the three of them had no way to escape. They could only stand still and cry. The killer began to choose carefully. Whose body organ did he use to make his perfect bride? He was very picky about the people he loved. It seems difficult to make a choice. At this time, the doctor came over. He didn't pretend anymore. The black girl was the boldest. She asked the doctor why she did this. The doctor told them very calmly. He used to be a doctor in a heavily guarded prison. The killer is the most violent prisoner he's ever seen. It will not only break the bones of the prisoners, it will even eat their flesh. The killer was very crazy. In order to get the permission of eternal life to participate in the doctor's experiment. So he wants a family. A perfect bride who can live with him. The doctor was also very interested in making a bride. At this time, the killer seemed to have made a choice. He chose the most attractive black girl, and the other two persuaded them not to pay attention and ran out immediately.